What's up, guys? Welcome back to Vlogtober day 3. Yes, Vlogtober day 3. So guys, today's video we're going to go and learn how to ride a bike. So I'm gonna go learn how to ride a bike. Yes guys, I don't know how to ride a bike. Well, I think I know. I did some, I don't want to say lessons there. From like 100, I would say maybe like 30% now, because I can ride for at least 30 seconds without stopping, and that's because it's like in an open field, so I'm not worried about any pedestrians coming my way. So Tia is not here, as you can notice. It's just me. It's quiet. She's not here. She's a little bit occupied somewhere, so I'm gonna go meet up with my friends. I'm gonna take her bike with me so that I can put the air. So I'm gonna meet my friends. That's her bike there, so I'm gonna take it with me, and then I'm gonna meet my friends for a bike session. So guys, I'm gonna take you along and let's go learn how to ride a bike. So the first Uber that came, the boot was too small for Tia's bike, and I'm running late. Oh my god. So I've ordered another Uber, which should be here in the next few minutes. Guys, it's raining cats and dogs, so the other Uber is gonna be here like in the next few minutes. And then this time around I ordered an X large. Before it was just a normal car, but I've ordered a extra large. Extra large. So fingers crossed the bike will fit. Okay, it's here, it's coming. So I hope it fits in this, because oh my goodness, I can't be late. So that's the taxi there. Okay, let's go. Hiya. Yeah.
Are you bringing with the bike?
Yeah.
Put it in the boot,
These Uber drivers, man, they don't even help. You have to do everything yourself. Okay.
There will be enough room, Keke?
I don't know. I'm gonna try.
Okay, good luck, Keke.
You're wishing me good luck. Okay, I think it's fine.
I can close the boot from here, Keke. Let's try.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think it's fine, you guys. The boot is gonna close. Yay! Success! Let's go.
The weather is not very good today.
The weather is horrible.
And Keke, we will go to, is it Hoff Road?
Yeah, 65.
Hoff Road.
Yeah, it's
What is there, Keke?
I think it's a bike shop or something.
Oh, right.
Something bikes. I'm not so sure about the name.
Did you find it on the internet?
My friend sent me a link, but it just says the How Road. It doesn't say
What it is?
yeah. It doesn't say the postcode or anything like that. But she told me it's 65.
And is the bike to be repaired?
The pressure in the wheels. There's no pressure. There's no air.
Oh, no air?
Yeah.
On both the tires?
Yeah. I'm going for a lesson as well. I don't know how to ride a bike, so.
Oh, right. So you're going to go for a bike lesson?
Yeah.
At the same place?
Yeah.
Oh, so this bike will get repaired and then you go for a bike lesson also?
Yeah.
Good for
It will get repaired while I'm taking the lesson.
And is the lesson booked, Keke?
No. Well, no. Yes, it's booked because I'm doing it with a few friends of mine, and I think my friend did have to book.
Yeah.
I remember she told me she had
Yeah,
to
I
book.
was thinking that.
Yeah.
Everything seems to be booking.
Yeah. the restrictions and everything, you have to book in advance.
People allowed.
Yeah. No, she's pre-booked it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
This is definitely. Look at the bikes they have here.
Yeah, the bikes are low. Definitely is, and I think they'll be able to help me as well.
100. Good luck.
Thank you so much.
Nice
Have a good day. It was
Good
nice to
luck
talk
with
to you
your
as well.
lesson.
Thank
Good
you.
luck. Take care. Take care.
Have a lovely day.
Yes, bye-bye.
Bye. Hi.
Were you meeting some people here
Yeah.
and you were a little bit late?
Would you be able to tell if it's punctured?
We should be able to tell if it stays up or not. At least whether it's a bad puncture.
Okay.
If it's a slow puncture, it might be slightly different. Is that going for puncture?
It's learning also how to ride. Hi, Peyton.
Look, Auntie.
Hiya. Look at her. Oh, how are you, mommy? You're learning how to ride. I'm telling you, we're learning with a baby.
You can Papa.
Yeah, Papa swagged out to learn how to ride, guys. Okay.
Hi guys, it's been a minute.
I know, right?
We're here. We're here.
Asking me for you.
We're here, guys.
Peyton, let's go.
Do you know how to start your mom? How do you start your bike?
Okay, so I put this tight, and then I just go.
That's the way.
Peyton, let's go. Let's go, mommy. Let's go together. 10. 10. Good girl.
Wow. Guys, do you hear the bear? She's gone. She was complaining that her hands are cold. Guys, she's gone. Well done. Turn. Why? You were going to turn. Oh, wow. Eh? Oh, I thought you wrecked it, man. I was in there. Sorry. Wow, look at the learners. They're doing great. Here comes Tuma showing us her skills. About one hand, I can't with you. Lol.
When I got on first, I was terrified. I thought I couldn't do it, but bro, I'm doing it.
Did they show you how to put your thing down and everything?
Which one?
The seat.
No, the guy was using like an Allen key.
You did great.
Right, let's see you, Agatha and Tuma. I want to see you cycling into the sunset.
Okay, let's go. Can we go? Okay. As if I know that.
Give Georgina a pep talk. Bye.
Yes, come here, right. Go. I am so happy. I know how to ride. And it's because I took lessons in July. Are you serious? Ah! I'm so Guys, I am so proud of myself. I like the way you turn. I'm still struggling with turning, yeah. Guys, I don't know how to turn the way Agatha is turning. Like she's like full on.
You have to go slow. Like when you're turning,
Yeah.
you go slow. Because if you're going fast, then you're gonna fall.
Okay.